Black couch, chair and coffee table on wood plank-inspired floor next to wood dining table and 4 chairs. Chrome light hangs from ceiling. A TV mounts in alcove above shelves. Past the dining area is a raised counter over a rectangle stainless sink and arched chrome faucet. Stone-like counters throughout the U-shaped kitchen with black electric range, stainless microwave, dishwasher and refrigerator and dark wood cabinets. Across from the stove is a small counter with cabinets above and below. Moving towards the living room, to the right is a small bedroom with mirrored closet door, twin bed and desk set into an alcove. A door to the right of the closet opens to a bathroom with single white sink, toilet, and tub with tile surround. Around the corner is a second bedroom with identical furnishings. Mini blinds hang on the single window next to the plastic-covered twin mattress and metal frame bed. Heading out to the hallway, a door opens to the right with single sink, toilet, and tub. Continuing to the left is a third bedroom and bathroom equipped the same as the first 2. Wood-inspired floors continue throughout the apartment. A ceiling fan hangs over the center of the room. A thermostat hangs on the wall across from bedroom number 3. To the right, a fourth bedroom with identical furniture, ceiling fan and bathroom leads back to the hall. A cabinet hangs over each toilet. Moving back down the hall towards the living room, a ceiling fan hangs over the couch area.